Aquaforensic, Underwater Interception of Biotweaking in Aquatocene, by Robertina Šebjanič and Gjino Šutić. Aquaforensic illuminates the invisible anthropogenic pharmaceutical chemical pollutants, residues of human consumption, monsters in the waters. The project combines art, science, citizen science in a hunt for a phantom, and opens the discussion about our solidarity and empathy with waters beyond human perception. These invisible chemical pollutants, such as legal and illegal drugs, mood controllers, antibiotics, antimycotics, painkillers, hormone pills, and so forth, are the residue of human consumptions discharged into underwater habitats that were explored during a residency at Ars Electronica in the summer of 2018 in two specific localities: the Danube River, Linz, Austria, and Adriatic Sea, Dubrovnik, Croatia. The project goal is to make these invisible anthropogenic pollutants and the pattern of their effects in the water habitats visible. With samplings of water and the seabed, we are hunting for a phantom of our presence in the context of new mythologies. With pollution, we change the oceans inside out, influencing life and behavior of the whole cybernetic loop of the interconnected ecosystem. The vast complexity of the ecosystem that covers more than 70% of the planet, producing over 80% of the atmospheric oxygen, is still mysterious. We are opening discussions about aquaforming and pushing the question of the human footprint on water to make it as present as the terraforming in the deep age of the Anthropocene. Anthropogenic presence is now aquaforming every part of the water habitats. It is the result of our global socio-technological system and its geopolitical, social, economic interest in water, from the shallow waters on the coastal lines to the deepest points in the oceans. By conducting citizen science investigation on forensic oceanography, we are looking into hidden secrets. The combination of science, art, and field research is opening new doors in developing sustainable solutions, bringing these problems and thus development closer to citizens. There are a lot of challenges, but also potentials when working with this topic and prototyping tools for water exploration. The major omnipresent invisible anthropogenic pollutants are the semi-consumed pharmaceuticals that stay overlooked and are changing not just us, but also the life in fresh and saltwater habitats all around the globe. The human body, on average, is able to digest only 20% of the drugs that we consume, while the other 80% is disposed from our body to waste systems, ending up in the world's waters. This has a malignant impact on the whole interconnected ecosystem in an escalating loop pattern. The loop is similar to the food consumption chain, which is entering a never-ending circle of multiple effects on such things as the development patterns of all living organisms. From the micro level, viruses, bacteria, and other microorganisms, to the largest organisms in the oceans. Aquaforensic. It's a voyage into the relationship between the microbial seas and humans who are aquaforming the water habitats all around the planet. The question is, how do the oceans feel our impact?